Model 2018 Citroen Dispatch Expert BlueHDi 120S and S6-spd 1400 End Plus head gasket issue body, silver, panel van mileage, 65,538 MOT, the 14th of November 2024 engine, 1997 ccdw10 FEA transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Still pulls in every gear. This still starts and drives brilliant. You wouldn't know anything was wrong with it if you didn't open the bonnet. Grin condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 0 former keepers, air con, parking sensors, cruise control, electric windows, sat-nav, reversing camera, 2 keys EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £10,595. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.